Hello, everyone, and thank you, FPT, for having me here. My name's Dillon Laird, and I'm a machine learning engineer here at LandingAI. At LandingAI, we're building agentic vision technologies. It's a comprehensive set of solutions designed to make it easier for businesses to extract insight and value from their visual data. We're developing a suite of agentic vision APIs that combine the reasoning ability of large language models with powerful visual understanding. This allows us to solve a wide range of real-world vision tasks through highly flexible, prompt-driven interfaces. Our first offering was Vision Agent. This was a framework that lets users describe complex tasks in natural language. Think things like object detection, segmentation, or counting, and it automatically generates code and logic to solve them. This lowers the barrier of entry for teams who want to operationalize visual data without needing deep ML expertise. We then built Agentic object detection, which allows users to specify objects not just by class, but by rich prompts. Think things like a person jumping, or right strawberry, or even Andrew Ng. It combines open vocabulary models and prompt-based reasoning for highly generalizable detection. Our latest API, Agentic document extraction, extends this agentic approach to visual documents, allowing businesses to upload forms, invoices, or purchase orders, and automatically extracts structured information using LLM-guided processes. Think of it as OCR 2.0, but with reasoning. Why are we doing this? Because there's a massive growing ocean of visual data, from CCTV footage to scanned documents to industrial camera feeds, and very few companies have the tools or expertise to make use of it. Our mission is to empower customers with ready-to-use AI agents that make the data actionable. And that mission closely aligns with the rise of agentic AI, systems that are not just models, but intelligent workflows capable of decision-making and reasoning. We've seen strong traction. Our APIs are serving thousands of monthly active users across sectors like manufacturing, logistics, finance, with adoption growing 10x over the last quarter. And the engine that powers all this innovation, it's not just the models, it's the infrastructure. And that's where our collaboration with FPT AI Factory comes in. As our customer base and use cases expanded, so did the complexity of our platforms and the computational demands required to support them. Each of our agentic APIs involves much more than simple model inference. Underneath the hood, we're orchestrating multi-stage pipelines that combine specialized models, dynamic workflows, and code execution. For example, agentic object detection doesn't just run a foundational vision model. It also prompts and changes outputs through LLMs like GPT-4 or Claude to interpret and reason over results. This shift towards more intelligent agentic workflows introduced a few critical challenges. One was rapidly growing GPU demand. As we pushed and improved model accuracy and adaptability by training custom models, our compute needs increased substantially. We needed scalable and flexible GPU infrastructure fast. Experimentation velocity was also important. Our ML teams needed the ability to train and fine-tune specialized models rapidly across a wide range of domains and visual tasks. That's where FPT AI Factory came in. From the start, FPT stood out by offering fast provisioning and cost-effective scaling of GPU resources. It also offered a developer-friendly interface that allowed teams to integrate quickly with minimal friction and supported both training and inference workloads, which accelerated prototyping and made deployment much more reliable. Today, FPT AI Factory is a core part of our agentic technologies infrastructure. One of our earlier challenges was improving Vision Agent's visual reasoning and planning capabilities. Vision Agent writes Python code to coordinate various vision tools, like object detection or activity recognition models, in order to solve user-defined visual tasks. However, we quickly ran into key limitations. Existing LLMs, while powerful, still struggle with visual content. For example, a user might ask, can you detect the person to the left of the person wearing a red shirt, which requires multiple steps. First, you have to detect all people, then identify the one with the red shirt, and finally locate the person to the left of that. This kind of multi-step visual reasoning is difficult for general-purpose LLMs. To solve this, we trained our own visual reasoning LLMs. With FPT's infrastructure, we trained both 7 billion and 32 billion parameter models with 64K token context windows, capable of planning and executing complex visual tasks using visual tools. FPT's H100 nodes made it possible to run these large training jobs on a single machine, dramatically reducing complexity. We later fine-tuned these models using reinforcement learning, further boosting their generalization across a diverse set of visual scenarios. FPT's platform also supported our full development lifecycle, from dataset preparation to training and evaluation. Another major use case was in agentic document extraction. Here, we realized early on that off-the-shelf layout detection models didn't meet our performance requirements. We collected tens of thousands of real-world documents, invoices, forms, purchase orders, and trained our own custom layout detection model. Using multiple H100 nodes from FPT, we were able to rapidly iterate on different model architectures and hyperparameter settings. The result was a model that delivered higher accuracy, lower latency, and better generalization across a diverse set of document formats. Behind the scenes, our engineers built a training platform that schedules and manages jobs across FPT GPUs. For layout detection, we combine these models with vision language transformers to understand document structure and content, all powered by FPT compute backbone. And the impact has been significant. We've been able to train large models quickly to meet our evolving customer needs, and our iteration speed is improved by 3x, allowing us to go from idea to production far more efficiently. In short, FPT is far more than a vendor. They've become a strategic partner that enables us to move faster, scale smarter, and deliver more powerful agentic AI tools to our customers. Looking ahead, our partnership with FPT will continue to be a key enabler of innovation at LandingAI for our agentic vision technologies. We see exciting opportunities to expand our agentic visual capabilities, including expanding our document understanding, more support for visual understanding, and allowing users to build their own custom agentic workflows. With FPT's scalable infrastructure, we'll be able to train more specialized models and support more real-time, high-resolution inferences at scale. In short, the future of visual AI is dynamic, agentic, and deeply integrated. And with FPT as our infrastructure partner, we're well positioned to lead the way. Thank you.